What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to practice flying jets, helicopters and other aircraft in Battlefield 6 without anyone shooting at you. Right now I'm inside a game that I'm hosting locally. No other players are in here, so I can take my time and practice flying as much I want. This is the easiest way to learn the controls, especially if you struggle with helicopters or jets. I also have helicopter control assist turned on, which makes flying a lot smoother. If you are finding it hard to adjust, definitely turn that on in your settings. It helps a lot. Now one thing to know is that not every custom experience works well. Some will load you into a black screen cause the creator didn't set them up correctly. So you need to pick an experience that actually lets you spawn and access aircraft. Before selecting one, go to options, then system and make sure show player created content is turned on. If it is off, you'll only see random numbers and you won't be able to join most custom games. After that, back out of the home screen, go down to community and select search experiences. I searched for helicopter and the one I used is called jets and helicopters training. This one actually loads properly and lets you spawn near all the aircraft. Select it, then choose host. If you want other player to join you, you can make it a persistent server and give it a name. Otherwise, just choose host locally to load it for yourself. It might take around 30 seconds. Once you load in, you should spawn at headquarters where all the aircraft are lined up, the Apache, the Black Hawk and the jets like the F-18 or F-35. Just walk up to one, interact and start practicing. Also, don't forget in controller settings, go to helicopters and turn on helicopter control assist. It makes hovering and basic movement much easier to learn. If the map doesn't load properly or everything looks broken, that usually means the experience isn't set up well. Just leave and pick a different one. Once you're in a working one, throttle forward, test your controls, try takeoffs and landings and just get comfortable with flying at your own pace. Hopefully this video helped you out and if it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.